In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Substack newsletter account. Substack is a popular platform that empowers writers and creators to publish and monetize newsletters. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get started with your very own Substack account. The first step is to head over to substack.com. You can do this by typing the URL directly into your web browser and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a simple and inviting layout. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Create Account button. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy for newcomers to begin the process of joining this vibrant community. Once you've initiated your account creation, you'll be prompted to select your interests. This step helps Substack tailor content suggestions that resonate with you. Go ahead and choose the topics that catch your interest. There's no wrong choice here, only what speaks to you. After selecting your interests, it's time to click Continue. This action nudges you forward in the setup process, guiding you seamlessly to a world of diverse content and creators. You'll then see a section called Creators You May Like. This feature is designed to introduce you to potential newsletters and writers who align with your taste. Take a look at the suggestions, and if any pique your interest, click to explore their work further. Following this, you'll encounter the Subscribe and Continue option. Clicking this will ensure that you're not just a passive observer, but a proactive participant in the Substack community, ready to receive fascinating content directly in your inbox. The next series of steps revolve around personalizing your account. Firstly, enter your email address. This will be vital for account verification and ongoing communication. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly. Before proceeding, agreeing to the terms of use is necessary. This is a standard step, signifying that you understand and accept the user guidelines of Substack. Now it's time to click on Subscribe and Join Substack. With this, you officially become part of the Substack network, gaining access to a plethora of newsletters. For customization, enter your name and feel free to add a personal touch with a handle and a bio. These elements help in building your presence and identity within the platform. Once these details are filled, click Continue to progress further. At this point, you may be presented with the option to download the Substack app. This can enhance your reading experience, making it more accessible on mobile devices. Finally, click Continue once more and you're almost there. To complete the process, choose Start Reading. This marks the beginning of your journey through Substack's rich landscape of content. And there you have it, you've successfully signed up and created your very own Substack newsletter account.